सो हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आई होप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे। तो मैंने ये परमार सर की फैटमैन बुक का सीरीज़ स्टार्ट किया है, तो आज हम इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट करने वाले हैं। और एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री मैंने कंप्लीट करा दिया है, तो अगर आप देखना चाहो तो मेरे चैनल को फॉलो कर सकते हो। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हमने मेडावल हिस्ट्री का कुछ टॉपिक कर लिया है, जैसे कि मुग़ल एम्पर हमने अभी स्टार्ट किया है। तो आज हम जहांगीर से स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। इसके पहले की वीडियो मैंने अपलोड कर दी है, आप लोग देख सकते हो। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। जहांगीर 1605 AD से 1627 AD। ओरिजिनल नेम नसरुद्दीन मोहम्मद सलीम, प्रिंस सलीम। Established Janjir-e-Adil chain of justice at Agra Fort for seekers of royal justice. Jahangir was known for his strict administration of justice. In 1611 AD, he married Meher-un-Nisa, widow of Sher Afghan, a Persian nobleman of Bengal, later known as Noor Jahan. She was made official Badshah Begum. She exercised tremendous influence over the state affair. Jahangir also issued silver coin in honor of his wife Meher-un-Nisa. He also married Manmati Bai, also known as Jagat Gosai, who was a Rathore princess. They gave birth to son Prince Khurram, also known as Shah Jahan. Architecture during his reign. The tomb of Itmadud-Dawla, built by Noor Jahan in fond memory of her father, inlaid with Petriadora decoration, is located in Agra. The Sarai of Noor Mahal is a centrally protected monument of India. It is situated in Punjab, constructed under the patronage of Noor Jahan. Amar Singh of Mewar accepted the suzerainty of Jahangir. In 1608 AD, he was visited by William Hawkins, a representative of British East India Company, and was given mansab of 400. In 1615 AD, Sir Thomas Roe, an ambassador of King James I of England, came to his court. ये कुछ मोनूमेंट हैं जो जहांगीर ने बनवाए थे। इतामुद्दौला, टॉम्ब ऑफ इतामुद्दौला, सराय ऑफ नूर महल पंजाब, जहांगीर मोती मस्जिद लाहौर। Jahangir granted English to establish a port in Surat. He captured a part of Ahmednagar. Malik Ambar ceded him the territory of Balghat. Shah Jahan and Muhammad Khan, commander, revolted against him. He executed 5th Sikh Guru Arjun Dev because he gave refuge to Jahangir's son Khusru. Memory written. Jahangir wrote his autobiography Tuzuk-e Jahangir in Persian language. Biography. Matumid Khan wrote the biography of Jahangir known as Ibal Nama Jahangiri. Shah Jahan 1628 AD 1658 AD. Mother Jagat Gosai, daughter of Raja Uday Singh. He is best known for his Deccan and foreign policies. Wife Mumtaz Mahal died in 1631, 3 years after Shah Jahan's accession to the throne. Original name Arjumand Bano Begum. Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal in her memory in Agra 1632 AD से 1653 AD. Ustad Ahmad Lahori was the main architect of Taj Mahal. 1632 AD he defeated Portuguese. In 1637 AD he completely annexed Ahmednagar. His reign is described by French traveller Bernier, also a physician. Tavernier he visited a total of 6 times, and Italian traveller Niccoli Manussi. Bernier wrote a traveller in Mughal Emperor. Tavernier wrote a travel in India. He introduced new administrative unit called Chakla. Peter Mundy described famine that occurred during his reign. His reign is said to have marked pinnacle of Mughal dynasty. He is known to have promoted art, culture and architecture. Architecture built by Shah Jahan. ये है दीवाने आम इन आगरा, दीवाने खास इन दिल्ली, दीवाने आम हॉल ऑफ पब्लिक ऑडियंस। ये है बिल्डर, ये है लोकेशन। अकबर एंड लेटर बाई शाहजहाँ, आगरा में है। शाहजहाँ व्हेन ही शिफ्टेड कैपिटल फ्रॉम आगरा टू दिल्ली इन 1638, दिल्ली रेड फोर्ट। दीवाने खास हॉल ऑफ प्राइवेट ऑडियंस, बिल्डर्स लोकेशन। इनिशियली अकबर, फर्दर इंसेंटमेंट बाई शाहजहाँ, आगरा में है। शाहजहाँ दिल्ली में है। दिस इज ताज महल, Muslim version Agra Fort. It is also known as Jasmine Tower, where the spent his last year in captivity. The art of decoration called Petra Dora became popular during the reign of Shahjahan. यह है शीश महल, Peacock Throne. The Kohinoor and Peacock Throne were stolen by Nadir Shah, who invaded in 1739 AD. Kohinoor diamond. This is largest diamond in human history. And this is Moti Masjid at Agra Fort. It is made up of marble and it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Book Badshahnaमा written by Abdul Hamid Lahori during his reign in 1657 AD. His failing health set off the war of accession among his sons Dara Shikoh, Aurangzeb, Murad Baksh. In July 1658 AD, his son Aurangzeb emerged to be victorious. Aurangzeb imprisoned his father in Agra Fort, where he died in captivity. In 1666 AD, he was buried at Taj Mahal, Agra, next to his wife Mumtaz tomb. Reason for Shahjahan imprisonment. Shahjahan formally confirmed Dara Shikoh as his heir, granting him the title of Shahzada Buland Iqbal, Prince of High Fort, and wanted him to ascend the throne. Aurangzeb 1658 AD से 1707 AD. In 1658 AD, he defeated his elder brother Dara Shikoh, who was helped by Jaswant Singh at Dharmat 1658, Samugarh 1658, and Deorai Varanasi. After victory, he was crowned at Delhi and assumed the title Alamgir. He captured Guru Tej Bahadur, ninth Guru of Sikh, and executed him because Guru Tej Bahadur refused to embrace Islam. In 1686 AD, Bijapur was annexed by Aurangzeb. In 1687 AD, he annexed Golconda. He appointed Muhtasib, who was religious officer. He wrote Fatwa Alamgiri Muslim law. He reintroduced Jizya. Death 1707 AD at Devgiri, Aurangabad, present day known as Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Buried at Kuldabad, Daulatabad. He was called Jinda Pir, the living saint. Later Mughal Bahadur Shah 1707 AD से 1200 AD. He is also known as Shah Alam First. मोती मस्जिद औरंगजेब ने बनवाया था, रेड फोर्ट इन दिल्ली. Jahangir Shah 1712 AD 1730 AD. He annexed the throne with the help of Zulfikar Khan. He abolished Jizya. Farrukh Shir 1713 AD से 1719 AD. He annexed throne with the help of Sayyid brother. They were also known as kingmakers. He is known to issue golden firman to British East India Company. Sayyid brother killed Farrukh Shir with the help of Marathas. पेशवा बालाजी विश्वनाथ. यहाँ से है मोहम्मद शाह 1719 AD से 1748 AD. He was also known as Rangila. He killed the Sayyid brother with the help of Nizamul Mulk. During his reign, Nadir Shah invaded. He sacked and plundered the city of Delhi in 1739 AD and took away immense amount of wealth. This invasion was followed by a series of plundering raids by the Afghan ruler Ahmad Shah Abdali, who invaded North India 5 times between 1748 AD से 1761 AD. फिर इसके बाद अहमद शाह आते हैं, आलमगीर सेकंड आते हैं. ही वॉज ऑल्सो किल्ड बाई नॉबल्स. शाह आलम सेकंड, ही वॉज ब्लाइंडेड. अकबर सेकंड, बहादुर शाह सेकंड. द लास्ट मुगल एम्परर. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. सूबा led by Subedar Nizam was divided into Sarkar district, which was further divided into Pargana, Taluka and Gram village. Sikdar revenue officer. Muqaddam village headman. Korango revenue collector. Important officer. Mir Saman in charge of royal household. Mir Bakshi head of military department. Diwan head of revenue administrator. Fauzdar maintaining law and order. Amal Guzar responsible for assessment of collection of land revenues. Shadar manage judicial affair. Sikidar police chief at Pargana level. Amin a revenue assessor at the Pargana level. यहाँ पे है राजपूत. मेनी राजपूत किंग, जो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है मुझे लग रहा है. मेनी राजपूत किंग partially those belonging to Amber and Jodhpur had reserved under the Mughal administrations. In exchange, they were permitted to enjoy considerable and autonomy as Watan Jagir. These influential Rajput families claimed the subedari of rich provinces of Gujarat and Malwa. Raja Ajit Singh of Jodhpur had the governorship of Gujarat and Savai. Raja Jai Singh II of Amber was the governor of Malwa. Swami Raja Jai Singh II founded his new capital of Jaipur and was given the Subedari of Agra in 1722 AD. ये मेहरगढ़ फोर्ट built by राव जोधा राठौर रूल ऑफ मारवा. ये जंतर मंतर built by Swami Jai Singh II of Jaipur. Total 5 jantar mantar built by him in Delhi was to be built Jaipur, Varanasi, Ujjain, Mathura. तो यहाँ पे हमारा मुग़ल एम्पायर ख़त्म हो जाता है. कल के वीडियो में हम लोग मराठा से स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.